You try it for a few days and you don't see results. And so you quit. And you say, it's not really worth my time. It's not really worth my energy. Imagine had you started last Monday, where would you be? How would you feel? What habit would we have built had you started last Monday?
I am divine. I shine with time. I am alive. I am divine. Every step mine.
So join me if you want to make that an excuse. I want to start on the 1st of the month. I want to start on a Monday. Okay then, start and keep going. But why not get a head start? Do it today. Increase your water intake. Pull that blender out if you do not have a juicer. Trust the process. You try it for a few days and you don't see results. And so you quit. And you say, it's not really worth my time. It's not really worth my energy. Winners never quit. No, quitters never win. You have to get past the 3 days. You gotta get past the 7 days. Sometimes things take longer than 30 days. We planted some sunflower seeds. We planted some watermelon seeds. We may not see watermelon come in 30 days. And we know this. We know it takes 90 days to grow a watermelon. We know this. So why would you rush yourself in 7 days for results, for growth, for progress? When nature shows you, things are happening underneath. Things are happening beneath the surface. And when you quit, you just rip the roots out. Start ripping out the roots. And so I want you to give it a grow past 3 days, past 7 days, past 30 days. I want you to give it a grow. Give it 90 days. I want you to give whatever it is, I want you to give it 90 days. When's the last time you gave something 90 days? Just like in nature, it takes time for things to sprout and for things to bloom. And we are nature. We are just the same. It takes time for us to sprout and for us to bloom. But we have to keep nourishing. We have to keep watering. We have to keep replenishing the soil with nutrients. It's same as us. We have to keep nurturing, getting our rest accordingly. We have to keep nourishing, putting real nutrients in our bodies, not salt, sugar, and oil, and processed ingredients that we can't pronounce. 90 days. If you need to get some graph paper and put little check marks down and say, day 1, and then you say, my non-negotiables. You have to put those non-negotiables in there. Drink water, have a green smoothie or a green juice, or how about a green apple, for goodness sakes. Non-negotiable for breakfast. Put that time in there. For 20 minutes a day, I don't have to even go to the gym. I can just do something at home. I can do a wall squat challenge or a few jumping jacks. Dance, walk, 20 minutes minimum. Put your non-negotiables down. Not do it for 3 days, not for 7 days. Do it for 90 days. Allow that plant to bloom. Stop ripping out the roots. That is how you succeed. That is how you win. You stay the course and you trust the process. You absolutely trust the process. Put your non-negotiables down. You say, I'm going to put my phone down at 7 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. I'm going to stop eating at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I'm not going to eat anymore after 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Upon my rising, I'm going to have some lemon water, lime, cucumber, mint, pineapple, chia seed, okra. Upon my rising, before I do coffee or soda at the job or sweet tea in the drive-thru, I'm going to drink me some water. I love plants and I notice the changes and the sprouts and the blooms. I notice that a lot of times it does take 90 days to see a change. So I had this big tree and it outgrew the ceiling. And so it started flowering. It panicked. Nature, that's what it does. It preserves itself. And so it started producing seeds so it can grow more of itself, so it can survive. And so I had to chop it down because it was growing up towards the ceiling, and I made a baby. So I cut it in quite a few parts. And I know that it's going to take a while for it to grow roots. It's not going to grow roots right away. Please get you a graph paper. You can get it from the Dollar Tree, or you can make your own graph paper. Make some lines and squares. You can hold yourself accountable by putting the little check marks. And you say, did I drink my water upon my rising? Put a check mark. Did I do my 20 minutes of crunching and folding and twisting and maybe a little stretching? And put a check mark, and that way you can see. Say you skip the day. That doesn't mean you crumple up the paper. No, you keep the same paper. You'll be able to notice your pattern. And it's going to take some time for this to root, but I trust the process. It wasn't going to root overnight. It's not going to root in 3 days. I'm not just going to toss it in la basura and be like, you pizza, I love you. I'm not going to give up on it. I'm going to say, you know what? I trust the process, so I'm going to continue to nourish you and nurture you. I put you here in the water, and I keep an eye on it, and then before you know it, it's going to grow some roots. And then I'll be able to put it in the soil, and it will grow into another huge tree. I didn't come here for no plant class. I was just using that as an example. I'm talking about us as humans, giving yourself the proper time to cultivate, giving yourself the time to root down before you bloom. Some things happen underneath the surface. Don't give up in 3 days. Don't give up in 7 days. Don't even give up in 30 days. I want you to give it a definite grow of 90 days and trust the process. And stop waiting for tomorrow. Stop waiting for Monday. Stop waiting for the first of the month. The more you wait, the more you delay your progress. Does that make sense? The more you wait, you're pushing away your future self. Your future self is sitting there waiting on you. And you sitting there waiting. I'm not motivated. Let me tell you where motivation comes from. From action, from doing the things. You're not going to be motivated laying on your back, scrolling on the phone, going from video to video. You're not going to be motivated. It's taking energy from you. It takes more energy to scroll and to procrastinate. It takes energy. Time is a resource. It's taking resources from you that you can be using to build and grow. Don't take it for granted where you could be 90 days from now. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for inspiration, information. You got enough information. Now you need implementation. You already know you got to cut out the salt, the sugar, and the oil. You already know fast food, fake food, fried food, junk food. You already know it slows you down. It inflames you. It bloats you. It causes dis-ease and discomfort. You already know these things. You don't need more information. You need implementation. Do the non-negotiables. You don't have to start with 7 non-negotiables. Start with 1 and then build. I'm going to drink water before I have junk food. Before I reach for the chips, the French fries, the ice cream and the cake, I'm going to drink some water first.
2026 pack. Only healthy snacks. Staying on track. I'm bringing my back. 2026